like, why don't you go to the esthetician? Why don't you go to the doctor? Well, guess what? I don't have the money for it, Joe. I don't have the money. So we're going to use this at home, and it works. Period. Hey fam! Hey! As you guys can tell, I am too excited for today's video, and that's because today I'm going to be showing you guys not only an updated skincare routine for pitted acne scarred skin, but I'm going to be showing you guys the key product that I have been using to reduce the look of my pitted acne scars. If you guys are existing here, if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I suffer from pitted acne scarred skin. And not just pitted acne scarred skin, ice pick scarring, which is one of the hardest acne scars to get rid of. But I have found the product and skincare products that have been working for my skin, that have people telling me, hey, your skin looks like it is getting better, it looks like it is healing. Thank you. If you have pitted acne scarred skin, you probably already know how hard it is to get rid of these freaking acne scars. So obviously I am so excited to show you guys what I have been doing to help reduce the look of my pitted acne scars, to help it vanish, to help it go away, to help it heal. So let's go ahead and get right into the skincare routine. So first things first, the two most important things you want to make sure that you do before you get started is, for one, pull the hair back, okay? Make sure the hair is out of the way, because this skincare routine is about the skin, okay? We are going to get down into the nitty-gritty on how to get rid of these acne scars. Number two, make sure that your hands are nice and clean and sanitized. Make sure you guys wash them. Make sure that no dirt is on your hands to touch your face, especially if you have acne prone skin. I have already washed my hands, but I'm gonna wash my hands again. Next things next, you are going to want to use a nice gentle cleanser, okay? So I use this Ultra Gentle Daily Cleanser by Neutrogena. It is just so nice, it's so gentle, it smells good, it removes dirt off my face. And because we're going to be using a power tool, which you guys are going to be seeing in a little bit, you definitely want to make sure that your cleanser isn't too harsh or intense. One of the reasons why I love this cleanser is because it doesn't strip any oil from my skin. It leaves my skin feeling nice, and it doesn't have it feeling dry at all. So I really don't break out as much as I used to, but when it comes to that time of the month, I start breaking out a lot. And I noticed that this helps to control and regulate my acne. That is great, number one, because even though we're trying to get rid of these pitted acne scars, the reason why these pitted acne scars are here in the first place is because acne was there. And I'm telling y'all, when it comes to my acne baby, cystic acne, okay? So make sure that before you even try to get rid of your pitted acne scarred skin, that you find a nice, good acne care routine. And then what I like to do is I like to pat my face with a nice fresh paper towel. And I usually don't use a washcloth because sometimes washcloths can carry germs and you do not want that transferred onto your face. So I use a paper towel and I pat everything down. Now, to confirm that our skin is nice and clean, because trust me on this, you want to make sure that your skin is nice and clean and dirt-free, we are going to be using a micellar cleansing water. You can also use a toner, but for me, I love to use this Garnier Skin Active micellar cleansing water all-in-one. I normally use the one with the pink top because I find that it does the best in making sure that my skin is nice and clean. Make sure that we're getting all of that excess dirt that we might have left over. Now, for the star of the show, fam. This is the secret sauce. This is what's going to help reduce the look of your acne scarred skin, whether it's pitted acne scarred skin, whether it's boxcar acne scarred skin, any kind of pitted acne scars. And the great thing about this product is that it doesn't only help to reduce the look of pitted acne scarred skin, it also helps with fine lines and wrinkles, all of that. It is such a great device. Today we're going to be using the Banish skincare device. If you watched my last skincare video, you know that this was also the highlight of the show, and that's because I have been using the skincare device for years now. I actually have been using it for so long that Banish actually decided to reach out to me and provide me with some of their products. So we do want to thank Banish for providing us with these products for today's video, even though I would have already purchased these products myself because these are products that I already use. And as you can see, it came in this really cute bag, and they have provided us with this Banish serum. It is a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E, and obviously I do need that because I do suffer from hyperpigmentation. And then they provided us with this Banish micro needling tool. So as I mentioned, these products are products that I have been using for years. We were just lucky for them to provide us with these products for today. So fam, I'm going to be leaving a link down below for all of the Banish products that we are using in today's video. And on top of all of that, your girl got you. Your girl got you. You and I, we are going to make sure that we heal these pitted acne scars. So with the code IBBY, IBBY, for any $50 or more purchase that you make on Banish.com, you will get $5 off your purchase. Yes, fam, you heard me. With the code IBBY, you will get $5 off of any $50 or more purchase that you make on Banish.com. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. We gotta make sure we get this ball rolling with our pitted acne scars, period. Just an FYI, the Banish device with the serum does come with directions. So if you're a little confused, a little scared, you don't know what to do, it does come with directions. I have already sanitized my Banisher, and I sanitized it with this rubbing alcohol. You do want to use a 70 to 90% rubbing alcohol, okay? So make sure your alcohol is going to be 70 to 90% to make sure that you are completely sanitizing your Banish device. So we are now going to go ahead and press it down on our skin now that our skin is nice and clean. And then while you do that, you want to rotate your device, and I pressed it down 5 times. It says 3 to 5 times, but I always like to do the most to make sure that I'm getting the most results as quickly as possible. Go to my cheek. This right here is the biggest acne scar on my face. I even go on my jaw. My jaw has no pitted acne scars at all, but as a preventative, this Banisher helps to produce collagen. So if you are having any issues with these pits under your eyes, such as myself, or wrinkles, fine line, anything like that, this helps. I also heard that this Banisher helps with hair loss. So if you are dealing with hair loss, such as myself, I do have a little bit of, girl, I got everything, okay? I know I do, but I'm only human. But I actually suffered from some hair loss recently from the wigs that I've been wearing. I have this big bald spot in the middle of my head. So what this Banisher does is it helps with the blood flow as well. It has so many great benefits to it, and that's why I love it. It helps with stretch marks. It just, the list keeps going on and on. What I love the most about it at the end of the day is that it is going to help you save money. And obviously with the coupon code, that helps save a little bit more money as well. But it's going to help save money because these treatments that you're getting at the esthetician, like, they're nice but I mean, they cost the money factor, you know? And a lot of people don't really realize that. They're like, why don't you go to the esthetician? Why don't you go to the doctor? Well, guess what? I don't have the money for it, Joe. I don't have the money. So we're going to use this at home, and it works, period. As you can see, I don't really have much pitted acne scars on my forehead. But again, I do want to reduce the look of my wrinkles. And I honestly feel as though the reason why, do you guys see my forehead? Like when I lift my forehead, there aren't really a lot of wrinkles. I feel like the Banish has definitely been a cause to that. I really do. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention is if you are having acne, if you have active acne, do not place your Banish device over that active acne. Just don't do it. Your acne areas are infected. And if you take that Banisher, place it on your acne, and then place it on another side of your face, you could potentially cause more acne on the places that you put the Banisher on the other parts of your face, if that makes sense. So just make sure that if you have active acne, skip the Banish for a week or so, or try to prevent those areas. I know for me, sometimes I'll get it like right here on my cheek. I'll just go around that area. So we are all finished with our Banish device. As you can see, I do have redness to my face, which is completely okay, completely normal. If anything, that's what you want. So to top everything off, I'm going to be using my Banish serum, and then I'm also going to be using something that I have been sharing with you guys in my last few videos, the Inky List Omega Water Cream. So I use this Banish serum first because obviously you have to put on your serum before you put on your moisturizer, and I just put dots everywhere. And I love knowing that after you finish using your microneedle device, aka the Banisher, these products are getting soaked into those areas. So you know how you have your skincare and all that stuff? Well, guess what? Your products are working double time, because now that your skin and your pores are open from that microneedling, yeah, now it's working even better. So I put that on, and then I pat it in. Always pat it in when you have pitted acne scars. Try not to rub it because you want that product to go in your skin. And then I'm going to go in with my Omega Water Cream. It is light, it is hydrating. If you guys can't already tell, everything here is not too heavy. So for me, I normally like to do this intense skincare like on a Sunday when I'm not going anywhere, or at night right before I go to sleep. And so that way, when I wake up 8 hours later, I can put my makeup back on. And there you have it, y'all. This is my secret to helping heal my pitted acne scarred skin. Again, I will leave the links down below so you guys can try these products out for yourself. We are on a journey together, fam. I know that a lot of us do feel so discouraged and we don't know what to do when we have pitted acne scarred skin. Obviously, I'm here in the flesh and in the blood trying to let you know, like, I completely understand. This is not a race, it is a marathon, and I'm just here every step of the way with you guys, letting you know that we can do this together. We can heal our pitted acne scarred skin. We can do this, fam. We can do this. So if you guys like today's skincare routine for pitted acne scarred skin, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and also let me know other videos that you guys would love to see. I also want to thank you guys so much for all of the feedback that you guys have been giving to me. I just want to let you guys know that it is a tremendous help. Thank you so much for watching, fam. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.